In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll move from a quick Google search to opening your project in Webflow, selecting a code block, and then pasting the code that creates a smooth text reveal masking effect as you scroll. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Webflow into the search bar and press Enter. Click the official Webflow result. A simple search is a reliable way to land on the correct site, and it's a good habit if you're switching devices or browsers. Make sure the address bar shows the official domain before you sign in. If prompted, log in to your Webflow account so you can access your projects and the designer. Once you're in your Webflow dashboard, look for the project you want to work on and click View Site. This opens the site so you can quickly confirm the page and section where you intend to place the effect. Take a moment to note the headline or text block you want to animate. Knowing the exact section or class you're targeting will help your code hook into the right elements and keep everything organized. Now, move into the designer and click on the code block that's already on your page. If you're scanning through layers, it may be labeled as an embed or code element in your structure panel. Selecting the existing code block ensures your custom code stays scoped to the right page. This is especially helpful when you want to keep your main styles and interactions tidy and separate from one-off effects. With the code block selected, open the code editor and paste the code that creates the text reveal masking on scroll. This kind of effect typically uses a small combination of HTML to wrap your text, CSS to define the masking and animation, and a lightweight JavaScript snippet to trigger the reveal as the element enters the viewport. Be sure your class names in the code match the elements on your page. Keep custom styles self-contained to avoid conflicts with global styles, and place JavaScript inside script tags. If your site already loads a library for scroll detection, avoid adding a duplicate. After pasting, confirm your changes and close the editor. Preview your page to verify that the text reveals smoothly and that timing and easing feel natural. If the effect triggers too early or too late, adjust the thresholds or offsets within your code until it matches your layout. And that's it. You searched for Webflow, viewed your site from the dashboard, selected the code block, and pasted the code to power a clean, scroll-based text reveal.